Hello, my name is Mary Temba and my mother's name is Margaretha Msinga. We are coming from Tanzania. We are here in Yashoda Hospital for treating mother knee problems. She have a knee problem about 3 years ago. And we came here in Yashoda Hospital, meeting with good staff, conducting with Dr. Ram Reddy, and he was a good doctor. He listened to us, he facilitated us in each and everything with those staffs like Jasmine and Shamerita and others. We appreciate all things done to my mom. As a family of Temba's family, we thank you, all peoples in Yashoda Hospital, for the hospitality, careful in each and everything. We appreciate. May God bless them, and we can give good testimony to our country, the good services we get here. Our mom, 3 years back, she was very painful in her knees. She can't walk without assistance. 3 days after operation, she can stand with walker, and up to now she have maybe 10 days. She can stand without walker, though doctor told us she can use that walker at least for 2 months. But I see very changes in her both knees, from downside to the top. I mean, the cleaners, they are well cooperated, they are heartful, despite of our color, and they do such wonderful things.